The word Ukpo means year in Edo language. All through the Uki months of this Ukpo year, you shall prosper. In Ukiagwe, January, you will live in Egberame in good health. In Ukifie, February, you shall find Awemoma, love. In Ukiegbo, March, you shall receive Itoha, mercy. In Ukiehwe, April, you shall receive Ohe, favor. In Ukiegwa, May, you will experience Onyonwa, bliss. In Ukipesi, June, you shall make Alagodaro, progress. In Ukiviema, July, Efe, riches shall fill your home. In Ukioye, August, you shall have Afiangbe, blessings. In Ukieho, September, your home shall be filled with Ogogo, joy. In Ukiemoro, October, you shall receive a 1 year answers to prayer. In Ukihanya, November, you shall musoebenuho, accomplish your dreams. In Ukigwe, December, ahomyoto or we, victory is yours. Ogogu Pogbon, Happy New Year.